Bienvenidos. Esto es Español con Rosita. Hoy nosotros aprendemos sobre los números y los números con tiempo. Entonces, this is a clock, and you have to learn how to tell time in Spanish. It's important. So when you're going to ask someone what the time is, you'd say, ¿Qué hora es? Which means, what time is it? Or if you want to be more formal, you say, ¿Sabes qué hora es? To be more formal. So, and more vocabulary for time would be, dame uno minuto, which means give me a minute, or dame blank horas, which means you can insert how many hours. So give me dos horas, to give me 2 hours. And la hora means the hour. El minuto is the minute, and el segundo is the second. So when you use en punto, that means like on the dot or o'clock. So like 10 en punto, which means it's 10 on the dot or 10 on the o'clock. And y media is like if you want to say son las 6:30, that means it is 6:30 because media means middle. And y cuarto, and don't get that mixed up with cuatro, because cuatro is 4, and cuarto means a quarter. It's like 15 minutes. So if you want to say son las 6 menos cuarto, so that's that's 15 minutes till 7 o'clock or 6 o'clock, and then or son las 6:15, which is 6 1/4, and then de la mañana and de la tarde. De la mañana means in the morning, and de la tarde is in the afternoon, and then de la noche is in the night. And there's mediodía and medianoche, like middle of the day and middle of the night, which would be like 12 o'clock. So before I go to that though, there's the son las versus the es la, and this is very important. You only use es la when you're talking about when it's 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock. And son las for 2 through 11. So, es la uno de la tarde, or es la 12. I don't know why it's for midnight or for 12, but it is. And then son las, like son las 6:30, it's 6 o'clock. So you got to be very careful about those. And so, for mediodía and medianoche, here's an example, and for the es la and son las as well. So this is 12 o'clock. It can be p.m. or a.m., but you say es la 12, then you can say mediodía because it's the middle of the day, or medianoche. You can just say es mediodía or es medianoche. You don't need to say it's 12 o'clock. That's an example. For if you want to say en punto, son las 4 en punto, it's 4 o'clock. Or let's say y media, you say son las 4:30 because it's 4:30. So y media, 30 minutes, and son las 4:15. It's kind of confusing because cuatro and cuarto, but you see it's at 15, it's 4:15 there, so the 3 and the 9 would be when you would use cuarto. And if you do son las 4 en punto de la mañana, that means it's in the morning, or son las 4 en punto de la tarde. Those can mean, and that means in the afternoon. So those are important. And so, review. ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? This is a more formal version of what time is it. Mediodía, medianoche. Give me a minute. Dame un minuto. Dame blank hora. So give me 2 hours. The time, or the hour, the minute, the second. The on the clock, or on the dot, or o'clock. 30 minutes, and like and a half, like 4:30. Or y cuarto, and a quarter, and de la mañana, de la tarde, and for the son las versus es la. Don't forget. Very important. Thank you.